Action.
Hello everybody, today we're going to make a piano game in Scratch. Let's get started. So we're going to delete the Scratch cat right now because we do not need it. Delete the Scratch cat, and then we're going to keep the backdrops, right? The backdrops or background for the real. But this is going to be a backdrop, so change to go to the backdrops. That's where you can cover your backdrop and change the fill to be white. And then before you change it to white, make sure the square tool is selected. If it's white before it and then you try to draw, then it's gonna pop out. It's not working. So make sure you got it covered. Then hold the shift key, or else you're just trying to make a rectangle by yourself. So hold the shift key, and while you're doing this, hold the shift key and you make a perfect square. And look, you got all these sides that I can change. But in this video, we're gonna do the top one. So go it up, and it looks like a piano chord. But if you want to make it smaller, then you can. I'll just try to do it like this, like a piano keys. And make sure you don't have your favorite piano keys on there, because look, you do not add the black keys on there. If it has a black key, then it will not work. So do it like this, and then copy, paste this, and then change it to this. And look, you got it. And then group them together, but just copy and paste it first. So just you tap on the one you created, and then tap on copy, and then paste it and move it where you want it to go. But make sure the land of it is hidden to the edge as the other one. But I'm going to tell you where edge is going to be. At the bottom edge. And it should not be on the top edge, because that's going to look like an upside down piano. That's not what we want to do. So make sure you get the step covered. And then get both of them and then not group them, just copy and paste them. And you get 8 of them. But now we have to do a duplicate 8. So paste, and then watch. When you count them, it's gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 4 fours. So that was just an 8 with 2 of them. So now we got 8 of them. We have 4 then. But then after you do it, you see that it's popping out of the screen. Do not worry, because look, if you just group them all together, then you got the option to ungroup it. And then just tap the thing that was grouped and make it smaller. Make sure it's bigger so you can tap the keys now. And then look, now you got the keys. Now duplicate backdrop 1, and then it comes ungrouped. And then now, after 1 selected, change the fill to be, look, see that is changing. Instead of finishing 1 time is a dark. But then when you do the next one, look, we have to do all this. It was when you got one back row, but you cannot be deleted or Scratch will break. So that's why Scratch has no delete sign at the first back block I used. So do you got a problem with deleting it? That's cool. If you get a screen off screen, then you can put it back. But if it's connected to two screens, then it's good. So if you can move off screen and go back, so it'll go to the side. See what where.
It helps with the authenticity. You see, Facebook, they don't care about the cause. They care about engagement and algorithms. So it's like we have to still be engaged. So that's what you guys got a little bit.
Your mouth side. Sorry. So now we got a problem. Yes, we do. We don't know what keys do what. So we have to group them together and then put them up. So after that, then they look like keys. But then we're gonna do text. But look, the background is white. We have to see the text though. Make it black. If you want to make it white, then make it a little bit white, or just black. If I want black, I want one, then add one. But make sure you count while you're doing it. One, or just make it bigger so you can know what key to do. Then copy, paste it, and it's gonna say 1, 2. 2, 2, 2, do. Anyway, if you try to do it like background 0.
Yeehaw! What's in your air fryer sauce? You like old air fryer sauce? Well, I do. Delicious. Old air fryer sauce got all the flavors. You got to stay energized. Warning, we don't make these. They be call me the bacon. Grandma's leftovers. Fried rice and all the meatballs that never made it to your mouth. And I'll touch that stuff that roams the floor. Squeak, squeak. You know what I'm talking about. Look at that colorful stuff my dad eats. Do you know what that is? It's what's in your old air fryer sauce.
This technique involves studying in short focus bursts. Technically, you'll study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, you'll take a longer break. It's amazing for maintaining high levels of focus and giving your brain some rest.
This and duplicate it. It's gonna say back prop 2. But if you just capture it with a 0, then followed by back prop 20 and 0, 0, and then when you duplicate it, then it's gonna do the same thing. Change it to 2, change it to 3, but this one was.
Do you ever thought about doing any voice acting? Have you ever thought about doing any voice acting? Yo, you can make a lot of money.
0.
I know you know, I know it's not your thing, but yo, you got amazing. And I can be cartoons. I'm not this ain't this is I can be cartoons. I know good voices when I
the
hear
leaders. And then this one too. Woo! It's a crazy 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Get that big blue, and I see, and I'm all blue, and the Susu, and the boggle. So after you got all the keys finished, when you got one key already finished, then tap on it. But be sure to tap it. Go on the text tool, or if you tap it a lot, then it's going to send you to the text tool. But do it this way if you want to follow me. Then, if you want to do something while you're doing this, then just do something that's your favorite. So I'm gonna be fast, so you have to skip the rest of the episode.
You understand? We scheduled our post through February because I wanted to enjoy my birthday.
5,
So we scheduled out every
6. This is very helpful, so you know what keys you have. And helpful to know what key you're gonna do it. If you want to do it like it's hard to figure out the keys, then nope. Then how people know what keys to press to hear piano? But that's not part of a piano. Then follow me, because look, we have to do it. So make it like it is perfectly centered, and then when you're done with the keys, then you cannot stop, because look, we got a bunch more to do. You have to stop at the last key, because we're not changing any colors. Because look, when you're not holding a key, then it looks like nothing. If you have it like you're still holding a key, then it's gonna be wild. But make sure you do something familiar like this. So do this. Copy the one you created. Ungroup these and tap on one of them and change it to this. And then duplicate it again and flip it. And then tap on the question that was flipped the other side and change it to orange. And do it until you got these costumes to match how much keys you got on your thing. I'll tell you when I'm done. And you can do the rest if you know what a piano works like. But since we're not gonna take that many minutes, then we have to do the rest. But make sure you duplicate each of them, because look, if you do not, then it's gonna look like 2 keys are pressed, but only 1 key is pressing. Like 2 keys are pressed, but only 1 key is pressed. So make sure it's done like that. But then change the color too. Change it to each key color. If you do not know what I mean, then wait to the end of this video so I can tell you how these work. And make sure it's not in the center. I'll tell you why later. After I finish these costumes, I can tell you why. You'll see what I'm doing later. But you know what I'm doing now. Because look, we're going to send this video to you, and then you will be able to make your own video. So let's continue making these costumes. So let's change the color to our boy color.
So then that's what I'll do. So what I'll do is, this is what I'll do. Just do me this. I know you said what you just said. Just send me that link one more time. Just because I don't really keep up with a lot of stuff like that. I kind of like whatever. Just send me the link. I got it. I'll run it through. Yeah, the Dune. Send me the Dune link one more time. The blackout. That shit is hot. Just by the way, that's fire. I like that shit. That's cool. So send me that, and I'll schedule it. I'll make as many posts as possible because we just started using this software, and that's what it's a lot going on. But we'll schedule it for you from the 1st through the 15th. And we'll get as many. We'll pump it out. That way, when you guys are feeling passionate to post, you at least you still hit the algorithm points. You know what I mean?
Okay, I'm going to tell you why we do not put it in the center. Because if it's in the center, then it's going to mess up the game and keys. Because if it's in the center, then the other keys are going to be upward, and you will not be able to see the keys after you do it too high. So make sure you did this. No keys pressed. 1, 2, 3. I got 9 because look. See, look. The first costume is no costume. So it looks like this.
Okay. All right. Cool. Yeah, no worries.
So after this is done, then we go to the code. Wait a minute. Go to the code. Okay, but then just get forever loop. But look, we don't have to write scripts to do it. So go to the events category and you should get the music event. But this video is all about Scratch Breeze. So make sure you got that upload so you can follow me.
This is Emmanuel Simms Jr., and this is School Hacks, a guide to being a stellar student. Flashcards are a proven method to reinforce what we've learned. Only include one piece of information per card. If you're trying to remember a definition, have a term on one side and a definition on the other. The key to flashcards is consistent testing. Go through your flashcards regularly, separating the ones you know from the ones you don't. Over time, you'll see improvement. For additional help, download the PDF below.
So this is gonna play system. And that's too loud. So just play this. It stopped. But if you just added like when one key pressed, like the one key, that's the right key.
What do you want me to do on that again?
No, we have to add switch to back costume 1 and then switch to costume and change it to 1. If it goes last, then that's better because you cannot see the note popping up.
So you say Joel is a vegetarian?
But do not use this one. The C is getting stuck playing the note. So change this into an if-then block. If you make it by mistake, then get an if-then block and delete the block. So if you the same thing because there's nothing else. But look, let's not pick a new one. So this. Do it after the notes. But that's better because I want to be fast. So like the 2 keys, the 3 keys, the 4 keys, the 5 keys, the 6 keys, the 7 keys, the 8 keys, they do not do anything. So let's fix that with duplicating the whole code like this. The control key to duplicate. And then when you first do it, it's gonna be coming up in the same code that you did. And make it interesting because look, you get it on by purpose. So make sure it's one like this. And then change it to 2 key. But then it's gonna play the same note in the same costume. So we'll change it to costume 3 and the note to be then 60 and make sure it's delete and then play the thing. We got a lot to go, but if you just duplicate them at the same time, then it's good. Put it on there and then it gets longer one. Change this one to 6 though, and change this one to 5 though. Six, 5. Ready for the test. Make sure inside of the whoops are you. And it only have us. It gets louder. I didn't finish. So the B key and the 4 key. So you got more chance to do things. But it comes out as different as you expected. Because it's B key. That's the problem. How do you know the 5 key? The 9 key. That's because the 4 key is all the way down there. So the 4 keys. Oh, this one is wrong. Change it to 0. And change this one to match. Backdrop. And change this one to 6. Change this one to 7 and change this one to 8. Don't worry, I'll have to fix it. So he changed it to 0 key. This key is green. The key is green is backward 0. And the 4 key is the one after 0. No. 3 and then 4 key 0. The 2 keys has it. But then I'm going to change it to 0 key. Maybe have to make a new one. Just start over your costumes. Got hard to find the costumes. I don't think it's gonna work. I don't know what key I'm doing. What I'm even doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh man, what I'm doing. What I'm even doing. What I'm even doing. What I'm even doing. What I'm even doing. I don't know what I'm 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 doing. I do not know what I'm doing.
Need help?
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing.
What happened?
See, I had to start over.
What you mean?
See, I had to go back to the classroom because, look, they came in the wrong order. Can't help me.
So the color not lighting up?
See, they're popping up the wrong color. So now I have to do the rest. One key. See, no, this one didn't come up. I need the key. I need the big key, and then this key is gonna be the 4 key. And the
Okay, yeah, you almost there.
but I do not know what I'm doing.
Oh, you need to make yes, you do. You need to make a duplicate to change the color.
Yeah, but I do not know what I'm even doing.
Oh, you smart. I see what you did there. You know what you're doing.
I don't know.
Just keep doing, rinse and repeat. Do it over and over again.
Yeah, but I do not know what I'm even doing because I don't know what I'm doing because look, I don't know what step I'm even on.
And then, yeah. Work it out, Noah. Hey, Alexa, play The Littlest Noah.
That I duplicated and it wasn't time to duplicate it. I didn't know what I was doing. can't help me. So
Wait, what you do?
See, I look. No. Dum. I don't know what I'm doing.
So delete that. Go to not one.
Nah.
So then change the color.
Don't know what I'm doing.
Stop saying that. Yes, you do. You can do all things through Christ that strengthens you.
I do not know
Hey,
what I'm
Noah.
doing.
Noah, stop saying that. That's not a good affirmation. Affirmations say I can do anything I put my mind to.
Stop.
You call me over here.
Yeah. Next one. Oh no. Almost done. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing.
Let's start with something we all know. Planners. How many of you guys use planners? Planners are great because they give you a visual overview of your task. By writing down assignments, tasks, and other activities, we can prioritize and ensure we don't forget anything. And for those who prefer tech, there are several apps to keep track of your assignment. There's apps like Google Calendar or My Study Life, which allows you to set up reminders and categorize tasks. They can be accessed from any device. Now, not all study techniques work for everyone. It's about finding what clicks for you. Hey guys, this is Emmanuel Simms Jr., and this is School Hacks, a guide to being a stellar student. If you guys are having trouble in school, get my new course for School Hacks for only $6.99.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, 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 little star. How I wonder.
Is this the one I was supposed to use? Did they even duplicate it? The change color. The color. Four and then. Oh yeah.
You need help opening that?
Nope. I got it.
Once you finish, we go inside.
Why?
You want to go?
I don't want to go.
You don't want a slushie?
Okay, I want to do that to the next day.
No rush. Finish your video. You're good.
Okay. The continuing part is create the next. Turn off the project before you do the next stuff. That's gonna make scratch calls or all these keys will happen at the same time. Just put it down here. And just go down until you see the same thing repeat. This is gonna be 6 key. And this one too. A 7 key. And change it to 8. Done. Now let's test it. Oh, the 5 key. I need one more. Duplicate this key. This is the 2 key. And then carefully else. 5 key. Now I'm doing the wrong key. The 5 key says this caution. We need the first 2D. That's this caution. That's the non caution. The 6 caution. Never mind. Let's back off now. No, never mind. It's a big key. It's working. Back and brought 9. No, 5. 6. Six key. Oh no, the 7 key. 7. That's the wrong key. 8. In the 6 key. Oh. That's like this one has to be a little more challenging. Maybe I have to take out this block and this one, then this one after. And then look! Now we'll do this.
How's it coming?
Good.
You finished?
No.
We can do another video once you're done.
Nope. So this one is gonna be cool. So 6 key. Wait, where am I? Oh, sorry, guys. So now I have to go to the books category and take out 2 of them. So make this one pressed, and this one change this one to backdrop 7. And then
Oh yeah, I didn't see all this. I'm glad you said it. I didn't see all this.
6 key. The one key does the first sound, the second key does the other sound, the third key does the right sound, the fourth key does the next sound, the fifth key does the next sound, the sixth key does the next sound, this key does the next sound, and the other key sounds like this. Goodbye, everybody. That's how you make the piano game.